see if you make the funny faces your sister did. That's right.
Not a silly
What do you
face.
think? No, not a silly face at all like your sister did. Quite like it, huh? Something with taste. What is that about?
That has taste in it?
Oh, big bite. Sorry. Doing pretty good there, sis.
We both have stuff that use with spoons today.
Mm-hmm. You're doing good, sweetie. This much better than that old cereal. It doesn't taste good. She's doing awesome.
She's sucking that stuff down.
It's like you've done this before.
That's because she done it on my cereal. What did she just do? What did she just do, Mom?
She tried to grab my hand and shove that spoon in her mouth. Oh, you're gonna help me? What a big girl.